What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today I want to talk about something that I think is going to help you really, push forward. Gives you that little bit of push and momentum and belief in yourself, okay? It's one thing that I do every single day to help me feel more productive throughout the day. In order to know what you've done in the day, as well as feel more productive every time you finish something, and give yourself a reason to continue doing more things in the day, it kind of turns it into a game, right? All you need to do is you need to have a piece of paper or a notepad that I keep right here next to me. Every day when you accomplish something, you do anything, I mean, you wake up and you make your bed. Anything that you do, you write down, you put the date at the top of the day every day, and you write down the things that you've done, okay? So for instance, if you write a verse, you write down, I wrote one verse. If you shoot a video for yourself, I shot one video today, or I edited a video today, or I wrote 10 bars, I wrote a hook on this song, or I did this. Whatever you do, write those things, add those to the list. You ever get to the end of the day, and you're like, man, I don't feel like I really did anything today, right? But if you go to your list, you go, damn, I did a lot of stuff today. And that makes you feel really good and accomplished at the end of the day, and the whole day while you're writing the things down. So then the next day when you wake up, you have momentum and you're like, I did a lot of stuff yesterday, I'm gonna do even more stuff today. And it turns your life into a game of just trying to get as much stuff done as possible. It sounds crazy, but it really does work. And if you miss a day or you skip a day on accident, that's okay. Just pick back up where you write the day on the top of the page and then keep going with it, okay? Me, I do it on a regular basis. I'm like, okay, I worked out, this is what I did, right? Yesterday. All right, responded to all emails. I went to the gym. Edited a Smart Rapper video with, as well as a thumbnail, made a morning shake, anything that takes any amount of time, because it takes like 3 minutes to make that. Posted a Smart Rapper video. I ordered more jackets. I published a Udemy video. I wrote 2 verses for a song, plus I recorded the verses. That's 2 different things. I got video supplies. I searched and bought squirt guns for the new music video. I made a list and video outline for the new music video. I did a lot of stuff yesterday, okay? And at the end of the day, when I look back at that, even looking at it right now, I'm like, damn, I did a lot of shit yesterday. I feel good about that, right? When you do this, it's gonna help you feel more productive. And every time you write something down, you feel better about yourself, because you deserved it. You finished it, you got it done, write it down, okay? A pad of paper costs you less than $1, with a pen, less than $1.50. It's gonna increase your productivity and how you feel about getting things accomplished. And this is a very small trick that I use every single day to feel better about getting things done. And it makes me want to get more done. Then I also have a to-do list, but I'm not gonna talk about that right now. Go get yourself a pad of paper and a pen and just write down every day, every little tiny thing that you do. I promise, just try it for one day. I promise you, every time you write something down, you're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel it, okay? Just give it a shot, you're gonna feel more productive. You just became a smarter rapper and a more productive rapper. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with more tips and strategies and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm helping you guys every day. Give this a shot, start right now. Write down, watched a Smart Rapper video, got smarter. Come on, you're already doing it, all right? See you guys tomorrow, keep hustling.
Smart Rapper Gang.